Ever wonder why a website speed is slow and why are you not ranking on search engine result? Because website speed is one of the factors of ranking your website. Here we will go to page insights, and here I have already checked our website, which is marketingmovement.net, and here as you can see in mobile, here your performance is 41, which is very bad. Your accessibility 82, best practice 73, SEO 77, and no agentic browsing. That means that your website is invisible to AI chatbots and AI bots as well. So here now we will go further. Your first content full paint is 5.6s, which is very high, and it should be between 0.25 to 0.9, and your largest control page is 16.5 seconds, means it's taking 16 seconds to load your website on mobile devices. So why would everyone come on your website and see when your website is taking 16 seconds to just load on your on your mobile browser? So we have to optimize all these issues, and your speed index is 18 seconds, which is also very bad. This is now showing very tree map of your sequence in how your website is rendering, and it's showing on your browser of your different mobile types. So we have to optimize this all, and here you can see the insights. Render blocking request 470 ms, your efficient cache time. For cache you will be using a plugin called WP Rocket for WordPress to help you optimize your website speed and your improved image delivery. You have to optimize your image optimization as well. To you should never use any image size bigger than 250 KB. All the images should be converted to WebP format, which is as recommended by Google. And as you can see, warning, your pre-connect was found. These are your hosting issues which can be solved from your hosting site. And here your JavaScript is taking 2.6 seconds to load, which is a very bad time, and you have to optimize this also. Your minimize main framework, this also reduce unused JavaScript, reduce unused CSS. You have to optimize this all. And for accessibility, your button, link, and menu item do not have their names or alt images. You have to like tag your alt tag on this button so that it won't cause any problem. And your best practice is your third party cookies, which are also making your issues. For you have to get a web developer to fix all these issues. And your SEO, your links do not have descriptive text, where these three links are your showing here, click here, which is very generic, which is not very helpful in for you SEO point of view. So you have to fix all this. And your links are not crawlable. So here we will see that here it is showing this class and element, and your title is not optimized. Here it's showing video images. That here is the problem which you have to fix it. And your robot.txt file is not fetching, which means that your robot.txt file is not working. Let me check for robots.txt that is working or not. And yeah, just like I said that your robot.txt it's not working. Your you have to properly generate your robot.txt so that AI crawlers and Google search bots can access your website. Now we will go to the desktop side, and here you can see that Core Web Vital is failed because large content file is showing 3.2 seconds, which is 0.25 to 0.9 s seconds, which is the limit. And your CLS, your cumulative layout shift, is also needs to be optimized. And after that your performance is 21, which is very terrible. your accessibility is 82, your best practice is 73, and SEO is 85. Your first content, like the first thing your browser loads of website is taking 1.2 seconds, which is very terrible and needs to be optimized as soon as possible. Your largest contentful print is again 4.6 second, which can be reduced and optimized by using a WebP image formatted throughout your website. And your speed index is terrible also. You have to fix optimize this also. Your cache time, your flow, your reading, your javascripts all are same as a mobile optimization, and you have to optimize all this. And your best practices, you can see all this as well. Your SEO, your links are not descriptive, your links are not crawlable, so you have to use your optimization and using proper SEO plugins to help you optimize your core web vitals, and also known as website speed. So now for agentic browsing, your cumulative layout shift is 0.384, which is I believe can be further or optimized, and your accessibility tree is not well formed. So you have to uh, get it properly structured by a web development or someone with using your Cloudflare settings or your hosting cPanel as well. So that is pretty much about it. So if you want, and there is another called tool GT Matrix, and you can also search your website and audit your website here. And I will just go through it, and let's hit enter, and let's see uh, what our GT metrics have to say about our core web vitals. Here you can see your latest performance report. You have to log in to see your GT matrix is showing E grade, and your performance is 46%, your structure 77, LCP 6.5, and you have to optimize all this. And to show more of your performance, you have to log in, and for login you can just sign up with your Google account, and that is pretty much about it for the website speed optimization. And subscribe my channel to get more of SEO techniques and SEO methods to rank your website. Thank you.